Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox the latest OnePlus Nord Buds 3 retail unit and share our initial thoughts about this as well. So let's check it out. We got this from the OnePlus website directly, but this is also available on Amazon. I'll share the link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. So this is the box. I'll keep this aside. So let's unbox this now. We will see this first. Inside the box, along with the earbuds, we also have this USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable. This is the size. We also get this sticker, face sticker. I don't know what this is. And we get this never settle user manual and warranty information, I think. And we also get this extra silicone ear tips. So that's all. These are the things. Coming back to the device, we got the melodic white color model. This is also available in harmonic gray color one. I'm not sure how many OnePlus earbuds actually come with the white color option, but this looks good overall. I haven't used the white earbuds before, so it will take some time to see how clean this will be over a period of time. I'll use this earbuds for a few days, maybe 4 or 5 days, and share my full review. Kindly subscribe to get notified about this. Talking about the earbuds, they have this small cutout for left side and right side indications. We can feel them when we do like this. I think we already have the medium size ear tips on the earbuds by defaults. Apart from that, we also get one pair of small size and one pair of large size earbuds. We can change them according to our comfort. We also have a touch area at the back side of both the earbuds, I think. We can touch this to trigger an operation for the earbuds. Talking about the charging case, we have the OnePlus branding here. And we have a status light indicator for battery and charging. At the bottom, we have USB Type-C port and this function button, this one. It is not a very secure lid, but it does the job. So this is our first impressions and unboxing experience. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.